Hi, I'm Mrs. Ng and this is Roy, my ID.
Hi.
We found Prozfile design on an online portal. We actually shortlisted 4 firms, but eventually decided on Roy because he made us feel very comfortable and he understood exactly what we wanted.
So for the design brief, it was quite challenging that the timeline is quite tight.
The kitchen was very challenging because we have a lot of kitchen equipment to put in. And the original kitchen layout wasn't very effective. It wasn't quite what we wanted. So Roy helped us look at the entire design.
Another big challenge is the wine cellar. I need to fit in 2,000 bottles of wine, which came with different sizes.
We have a very huge wall in the living room, and we wanted something that was unobtrusive, something that wasn't heavy and at the same time elegant. I really like what Roy did to conceal the DB box. Because of the actual structure, it's actually quite difficult to dress up. We had recessed lighting also along the bed frame so that it would give subdued lighting.
For Elliot's room, I did add on with the daybed design to fit in with a lot of books, and also for the walk-in wardrobe, because due to the top area usually is the wasted area, so I decided to design with the pull-down clothes hanger bar.
My daughter Alicia actually initially didn't want any ID fixing up her room. She wanted it done her own way and the way she likes it. But after she saw her brother's rooms all spruced up and done nicely by Roy, she decided that she had to have Roy do her room.
Master bedroom, basically we need to fit in quite a lot of things. There will be like sofas, hi-fis, and a study area also. For the master walk-in wardrobe area, I designed in front of the walk-in wardrobe area with more storage for Mrs. Ng, and also I choose the marble look-alike texture to the pocket sliding door.
Basically, I do not have any specific favorite part because I feel that every area has its good points. So I really enjoy my house tremendously. In any reno project, I would say that it's very important to engage your ID early so that you have time to think and work over issues so you have a better idea, and in the end you get a better result. Initially, when we engaged Prozfile design, we were very apprehensive because different people have different tastes and different outlook. But we are so happy that we actually found Roy because he did a really good job, and I would definitely recommend him to my friends. Thank you, Roy, for a job well done.
Thank you, Mrs. Ng, for giving me the chance, and another great project done by Prozfile Design.